Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Places to Visit. Today we will talk about 12 Jyotirlingas. Before starting the video, I request you to not skip the video and please subscribe my channel. So let's start. About Jyotirlingam. A Jyotirlingam is a devotional representation of the Hindu god Shiva. As per religious book Shiva Mahapuran, once Lord Brahma and Vishnu went to war to prove their supremacy over the one another. To sort this issue, Shiva formed a huge pillar of light and asked the two to find the end of the light. Brahma chose to go upward and Vishnu chose to go down. Much later, both appeared in the front of Shiva and Vishnu accepted his defeat. But Brahma chose to lie and said he found the end of light. This angered Shiva and he cursed Brahma that no one will ever pray to him. This pillar later come to known as Jyotirlinga. It is said that there are 64 Jyotirlingam, but 12 of these are more important. Here let's check out the important Jyotirlingam. Number 1. Somnath. It is located near Viraval in Gujarat and is considered first and foremost of all Jyotirlingas. It is named after the moon who worshipped Shiva here to get rid of a curse put on him by his father-in-law Dax. Firstly it was made by moon in pure gold, but after so many changes and due to intruders, presently it is made up of reddish yellow stone. Number 2. Mallikarjuna Temple. It is located in Srisailam in Andhra Pradesh. Jyotirlingam here is named after Mallikarjuna Swami. Shiva and Parvati came here to meet their angry elder son Kartikeya because his younger brother Ganesha was getting married before him. Number 3. Mahakaleshwar. It is located in Ujjain on the bank of Rudrasagar lake. The lingam is considered to be Swayambhu and it derives its power from Shakti within. The temple features more than 100 little shrines within the temple complex and remains crowded on the most of the days. Number 4. Omkareshwar. It is located in Khandwa and is one of the most revered places in India dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is set on the island named Mandata or Shivapur, which is made by Narmada river. The shape of the lingam here look like Om, and the Omkareshwar and Amareshwar are two main Shiva temples here. The next Jyotirlinga temple in India is Kedarnath, located in Rudraprayag, Uttarakhand. Devotees from across the country visit here to pray to the Lord, which is definitely a difficult journey. It is also a prime Chardham Yatra destination and remain closed for 6 months due to extreme weather condition. Kedarnath in Uttarakhand is revered as the northernmost and closest Jyotirlinga to Lord Shiva's eternal abode of Mount Kailash. Number 6. Bhimashankar. It is located in Maharashtra and it is around 100 km from Pune. It is situated on the hills of Sahyadri range and the temple here enjoys gorgeous location and trekker's paradise. Here you can also see Buddha style carving of Amba Ambika in the surrounding. Number 7. Kashi Vishwanath Temple. It is situated on the bank of the holy river Ganga and is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas which is considered the holiest. People from all over the world come here for darshan of Mahadev. The temple is situated in Varanasi, which is the holiest city for Hindus, where a Hindu is expected to make a pilgrimage at least once in his life. It is a place where Shaktipita and Jyotirlingam are together. Number 8. Trimbakeswar Shiva Temple. It is located on the banks of river Godavari in Nasik. It is one of the ancient Hindu temples dedicated to Lord Shiva. Nasik is also one of the 4 cities where Holy Kumbha takes place every 12 years. There is also a Kusavarta, a holy kund, inside the temple whose source of water is the Godavari river. Number 9. Nageshwar Jyotirlinga. It is located around 8 km from Dwarka in Gujarat. This temple also finds its mention in Shiv Puran. It is mentioned in the text that Shiva in Nageshwar form once defeated a demon and his army to rescue one of his devotees named Supriya. Since then it is called the Nageshwar temple. Number 10. Baidyanath Temple. It is located in Devgarh in Jharkhand. According to Hindu scriptures, the demon king Ravan worshipped Shiva at the current site of the temple to get the boons that he later used to havoc in the world. Ravan offered his 10 heads one after another to Shiva as a sacrifice. Pleased with this, Shiva descended to cure Ravan, who was injured. As he acted as a doctor, he is referred to as Vaidya. From this aspect of Shiva, the temple derived its name as Baidyanath Temple. Number 11. Rameswar Jyotirlinga. It is located in the southernmost of all 12 Jyotirlinga in the island of Rameswaram, Tamil Nadu. Popularly known for its architecture, Rameswaram Jyotirlinga is closely associated with Lord Rama victorious return from Sri Lanka. When he was on his way to Sri Lanka, he stopped here to drink water and he made a linga of sand and worshipped it. This linga is known as Rameswaram Jyotirlinga now. Number 12. Grisneswar Jyotirlinga. This is located around 20 km from Daulatabad near Aurangabad in Maharashtra. It is also popular because of its location as it is near the famous tourist houseboat Ajanta and Ellora caves. So friends, these were the 12 Jyotirlinga dedicated to Lord Shiva. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press bell icon and share this video with your friends. Thank you.